Here at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, we teach people how to get their own businesses started on Amazon, whether that's here in Australia or indeed right around the world. But oftentimes, we get people coming to the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs after they have done somebody else's training course, or indeed if they've had a go at doing it on their own. And what that sometimes means, unfortunately, is they didn't make good choices about their product selection, and now they have to liquidate their stock, get their money back, and then we show them how to do it properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to liquidate your stock for your Amazon business. Amazon stock. So, Amazon has recently updated their liquidation function. So you may or may not know, I don't know, that Amazon's actually got a liquidation service for you where they will sell your stock that you're not able to sell yourself. So let's suppose you've chosen a product to sell, for whatever reason it didn't work, and now you're sitting on stock in Amazon's FBA warehouse and it's accumulating costs, because obviously the cost of the warehouse, and you want to just get rid of it. You're like, no, I just want to get my money back and I'm out of there. What's the best way to do that? Okay, so a couple of different ways. Amazon actually has their own liquidation service where they will liquidate that stock for you. How much will they pay you? It depends, of course, on what the stock is and what they believe is the liquidation value of it. All right, I don't know what they will pay you. Okay, so it depends. They'll do that for you. They'll just liquidate the stock. They'll get it out of there for you. Okay, now your question ought to be, what happens to that stock when somebody liquidates stock? What happens to it? Well, turns out it goes onto websites like this, Liquidation.com, which is a website I have sourced from in the past. Now, if you're watching the recordings of this, it's at Liquidation.com, Liquidation.com. Lucky bastards getting that. Send to all. There you go. So you can search on this website for stuff that comes from Amazon. Okay, look at all this. So you get full pallets of stuff that people have just gone, you know what, I'm not going to sell that anymore, I'm out of here, and it gets liquidated on Liquidation.com. I have purchased things from there myself. The thing that you will need if you're going to do that in the USA is a way to get that shit shipped, from wherever it is to wherever you want it to be. So you need to set that up. So it's a little bit more work, okay? And typically, I reckon, well, in my experience, you're best off having a prep company then go through it to make sure what you've purchased is sellable, okay? So that's one site. One in Australia is this one, which is auctionfinder.com.au. Another very, very good place to buy liquidated stock. Now, there isn't a lot, I don't believe anyway, unless I'm looking for it wrong, of Amazon liquidated stock on this website. However, I did find lots and lots of shops, retail outlets that, you know, unfortunately they've gone bankrupt and they are liquidating their stock on websites like this, which is an opportunity without a shadow of a doubt. Okay, an opportunity for sure. The other one is Gumtree. You would have seen Gumtree. You know, guys know Gumtree. By the way, massive traffic source for Amazon, Gumtree. You can get liquidation stock on Gumtree. So you could either sell your own liquidated stock on Gumtree, or you can go look for other people who are selling bulk lots or liquidated stock this way, okay? Super cool. Hi, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you start their own successful business selling things online here in Australia. We've helped over 2,500 people get up and running and making money with sales of over $50 million. To find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au.